Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen, and this is our 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan Highline. Finished in a beautiful white exterior with black leather interior, nice cuff plates as well with Fender premium audio. Coming around to the rear seats, they do slide back and forth. You have a nice cubby here for extra storage, USB 12-volt storage, ventilation at the rear, and here's a nice view of the front. You have a panoramic sunroof as well, adding to the ambiance on the interior as well. Power tailgate. Coming around to the side here. Memory seats, power adjustability. All your window switches are there on the side, as well as your light switch. On this vehicle you have lane assist, blind spot monitoring, rear traffic alert, and front assist. Bluetooth navigation. 360 camera on this car. There's a view of the backup, and a couple of the modes that you can put it in. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and AM, FM, Sirius XM. Coming on down low here, you have heated steering, heated seats for the front, automatic dual zone climate control, 2 USBs and auxiliary, a 12-volt down low in the cubby area, push to start, electronic parking brake. You have a mode button here that allows you to go into Eco, Normal, Sport, and Custom. That's your camera button right there into there. And engine auto on and off for the stop and go traffic to help save gas. More storage. Nice view of the top here with your sunroof controls. And that is all. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. We look forward to servicing you soon. Take care.